Welcome to Yoga and You with me, Garima Bhandari, and today we are in this beautiful location. You can see the beach right behind me early in the morning at Pondicherry. Today's practice is all about setting an intention, and energizing practice actually is a gentle wake-up call early in the morning when we wake up from our bed. We all are not so lucky to have a time leeway for an hour's practice every day. Energize your entire body, gets you productive throughout the day, sets an intention for the right energy to flow throughout the day on your body, on your mind, and also at the same time calms down your nervous system. So let's get started with a quick yoga routine for early morning. Sthiram Sukham Asanam. Patanjali Yoga Sutra says steady and comfortable practice. So there is no pushing, there is no pulling, something which is not in your comfort zone. So simply just sit cross-legged, whatever range of motion your body allows. Do not try to stretch your body. So first things first, we're going to open up our spine by doing a seated cat-cow. So we keep our spine straight, shoulders relaxed, placing our hands on our knees. With an inhale, opening the heart to the sky, pushing the neck towards your spine, and bring it back with an exhale. Shoulders close to each other. Inhale, opening the heart chakra. Beautiful. Back, opening stretch, opening the shoulders, opening the neck. And the idea is to ignite the blood flow in your body for a seamless, fluid cardiac activity, and also purification of the entire internal organs of the body starts the minute we align our breath with our practice. Strong, deep, equanimous inhalation. Once again, inhale. And exhale out. The sound of the breath is almost synonymous to the sound of the ocean. It should be that calm, that quaint, that once you hear the sound of the ocean, it should actually look like that you're breathing. Once again, inhale. Filling up not just the lungs, but your entire heart, your vertebra column, your spine, and all the way to your diaphragm. The fresh influx of oxygen. And exhale. And from here, we give ourselves a gentle twist. Twist to the spine, and what I see right behind me is a beautiful, beautiful sunrise. What could be better to practice and come on your mat? As I said, the early morning 10-minute practice is all about setting an intention for a beautiful, positive day and sending across those manifestations to all the people you meet throughout the day. And the other side, just a normal seated twist in the spine and coming back to the center. Once more. Right hand goes towards the left knee, creating a resistance, looking away from your shoulder, left shoulder, keeping the vision towards the back as far as you can. The other side, feeling a gentle twist in your spine, opening all the columns of your back. Excellent for people who have long seated hours in the office. They spend a lot of time digitally, so the back tends to get compressed, your posture tends to become slouching, and you always encounter a discomfort in your lower back. So it's excellent to counter that. And then from here, we slowly melt ourselves towards the ground like this, calming the brain, hands in front of us, and just try to breathe here for a few breaths. Slowly walk your way back with your hands, and then from here we gently lie down on our back and just drop your knees towards both the sides, gently opening up your hips, back relaxed, and feel a good stretch in your entire inner thighs, hips, and from here bring the knees closer to each other and placing the hands on the floor next to your torso, pushing the floor away from you, tucking your navel towards your spine and transferring your body weight actively on your feet and your shoulders. Try to bring your core up like this. Excellent strengthening exercise for your core and also opening and stimulating your abdominals, bringing the flow of the blood towards your heart and also activation in your legs at the same time. Stay here for a few breaths. Try to keep your vision towards your nose, Nasagra Drishti. And come down. Bridge pose is also a mild back bend for your back, strengthening your lower back and also legs at the same time. From here we do a quick Pavan Mukta Asana, folding the knees towards your heart, towards your chest, and try to raise your upper body towards your knees. If you can, try to hug your knees. Giving yourself a tight, warm hug every day in the morning is essential because yoga practice teaches us a lot about self-care. So, bringing your forehead towards your knees like this. Once again, staying for a few breaths. Slowly letting go of the legs and just try to stay here. Stay relaxed, stay calm. And from here, slowly raise yourself up and come to a staff pose or the Dandasana, seated fundamental posture to enter into a lot of seated postures, and gently try to internally rotate the thighs like this, keeping your hands on the side, navel tucked towards the spine, shoulders relaxed, and then from Dandasana try to hinge forward and pivot forward with your hips like this and try to bring your chest towards the knees. Once again, no pushing, gently grabbing your toes if you can, and just staying here for a few breaths. Heart over your head. And slowly, very slowly, with a smile on your face, come back and just return to your center.
Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga and You. I'm Sanjana Prasad. Today we're going to be practicing a few stretches that you can add to your morning routine. Not all of us have a full-fledged practice first thing in the morning, so these are some simple stretches that you can do as soon as you wake up, even before you get off the bed. Let's get started. You're going to find a nice comfortable cross-leg position. You can do this on your mat or on your bed itself. Let's start by rubbing the palms together nice and tight, generating some heat, and you're going to bring this warmth to your face. Cup your palms over your eyes, over the forehead, cheeks, just feeling the warmth on your face, and slowly relax, just shaking your wrists out, hands out, and coming back to stillness. Let's start with the neck. As you inhale, lift your chin up, look up. Exhale, chin down to the collarbone. Inhale, lift the chin up. Exhale, chin down to the collarbone. Inhale, lift the chin up. Exhale and chin down. You can do this 5 to 8 times. Come back to center. Drop your ear towards the right shoulder. Inhale, center. Exhale to the other side. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. One more. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Coming back to center. Next inhale, you're going to lift your shoulders up towards the ears. Open your mouth and exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Again 5 to 8 times. Inhale up. And exhale. Start to make gentle rotations. Free inhale and free exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, and opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Relax. If you have space, you can open your leg out to one side. If you don't and you're on your bed, you can still stay in comfortable cross-leg position and do all of the movements that we're going to do. You're going to open your leg out. From here, as you inhale, lift your arms up, interlock, big nice stretch. Exhale and bend to your right side. Inhale and stretch up. Exhale and twist. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, bend to the right. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale and twist. One more. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale and right. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale and twist. Slowly you're going to bring your foot back, but it's going to come back into butterfly position and you're just going to flap the knees open. We're keeping all the movements dynamic because this is in the morning and you want to bring in that energy to your body. So lesser holds and more movement. Once you've done this about 10 to 15 times, slowly switch to the other side. Stretching the left leg out. Inhale and lift your arms up. Lengthen through the sides. Lift your chin up. Exhale and bend to your left. Inhale and up. Exhale and twist to the right. Inhale and up. Exhale and bend. Inhale and up. Exhale, twist. Last one. Inhale and up. Exhale and bend. Inhale and up. Exhale and twist. Slowly back to center. Once again, we're going to flap the knees up and down a few times. And we're going to prepare for a forward fold, but this time we're going to do a dynamic forward fold. Sit up nice and tall. Inhale. Exhale, down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Adjust your grip according to what is comfortable for you. Inhale, exhale, down. Inhale and up. shifting onto tabletop position, coming onto your knees and palms. Spread the fingers nicely. Inhale, lift the chest up, arch back. Exhale and round your back. Inhale, lift the chest up. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, lift the chest up. Exhale, round your back. And now we're going to do a gentle rotation with the entire spine. We're combining the neck, the spine and your hips. So allow the body to move however it's comfortable for you. Listen to the body, it will give you direction as to how to move, to release. You find your muscles opening up, especially around the back and hips. And slowly you come back to center. From here, walk your palms forward. Find an easy puppy dog pose. Just your forehead down, sink, stay there. About 5 to 8 breaths. Inhale and slowly walk your palms back. Sitting down, keep your legs in front of you. Your knees are bent and feet down. Now from here, you're going to take your right ankle, place it on your left thigh. For some of us, this might itself be quite challenging. If you're very comfortable here, you can slide your left leg back more. Use your hands behind you to sit a little taller. Allow your hips to open up here. Keep your knees away from the chest. Sit tall and breathe. If you're still very comfortable, use your right palm. Gently push the knee away from you. 5 to 8 breaths here. Once you're done, release and switch sides. Again, see if you can bring the foot closer. Sit taller. Still very comfortable. Use the left palm. Keep pushing the knee away. Slowly release, relax. Use the support of your hands on your bed or on the mat. Stretch the legs forward and you're going to point your toes and flex. Point and flex. Point and flex. Point and flex. You're going to use these two movements to complete rotation for your ankles. So let's point to the right, flex to the left. Full rotations. 2, 3, 4. Switch directions. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Bend your knees. Drop your knees to the right side, turn and look over the left shoulder. Inhale back to center. Exhale to the other side. Inhale center. Exhale to the right. Inhale center. Exhale to the left. Inhale center. Exhale right. Inhale center. Exhale left. Come back to neutral. Come into a comfortable cross-leg position. Interlace your fingers behind your back. Open your chest. Inhale. Exhale and fold forward as much as you can. As you stay here, surrender completely all of your energy to the rest of the day. Set positive intentions and set them with full faith and sincerity. Inhale and slowly roll up, lifting your chest up. Exhale and release your hands. Close your eyes, find stillness and take a few deep breaths here. Settle your breath. And whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes and get on with your day. I hope that practice gives you a good start to a beautiful day. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for joining me.